During our stay in Paris, we rented an apartment through Paris Perfect, and I should add that I'm not affiliated with this business in any way, but today I'm going to be giving you a tour of the apartment. It was located in the 7th arrondissement and had a peekaboo view of the Eiffel Tower. We stayed in a 2-bedroom apartment that was located on the 3rd floor of the building. The kids' room was located off to the right, and it even had its own bathroom. Their room was on the small side, but it had bunk beds, so there was really efficient use of the space in there. There was a small table, and then there also was a very generously sized wardrobe. I have to say I was impressed by how well the small space in this apartment was utilized. The main bathroom was down the hall, and it had its own glass enclosed shower, in addition to a towel warmer that we were really excited about. There was a good amount of storage space in this bathroom for us, and this is also where the washer and dryer were tucked away. The living room was small and cozy, but definitely big enough for our family. There was a sleeper sofa, a couple of chairs, a coffee table, and a decorative fireplace. The main bedroom had a queen-size bed and a huge wardrobe with lots of closet space. My favorite thing about this room, though, was the French balcony. It overlooked the bustling streets below and even had a peekaboo view of the very top of the Eiffel Tower. The kitchen had everything that we needed: a microwave, a refrigerator, an oven, and cookware and utensils. We loved grabbing food from the local shops and bringing it back to the apartment to eat. I hope that you enjoyed this tour of our Paris apartment rental in the 7th arrondissement. If you found this video to be helpful or informative, I'd invite you to give it a like and to subscribe to our channel. In future videos, I'm going to be talking about things that we wish we had known before we went to Paris and some of our favorite family experiences while we were staying in Paris. Thanks so much for watching.